Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox had an update. And this is to fix several bugs that users have been having. So, of course, Firefox has moved on to a new version. And usually, when we start with a new version, it happens a lot that there are some little problems. So, go to the upper right corner hamburger menu, Help, and About Firefox. And here you will be moved to version 148.0.2. This fixes YouTube playback issues if you had problems playing YouTube videos. There's also, if you have an Nvidia graphics card, it fixes the fact that there were poor video quality on almost anything you would watch through Firefox, only if you had an Nvidia GPU. And of course, there are a few other fixes in there for different other little bugs here and there that happen on the browser. So do update if you have some issues. And anyways, it's always nice to update to the latest. There doesn't seem to be any security updates in here, just really bug fixes. So check it out. Version 148.0.2 is now what we have as a Firefox version, and this fixes some bugs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.